To finish with this review of the main features that come with new component system, I want to show you that now each component has a annotation option. So I can click here, I can create an annotation, or I can also use the contextual menu, and I can write whatever I want. These annotations are just glorified comments for all the team members or even for ourselves on whatever relevant things happen with each component. So yeah, this is the main part of the app dashboard, and that's it. Now that's very nice that I also got that annotation propagated automatically to all the copies for that component. You can see that there, and they're also available if I go to the inspect, so you can have that annotation under the info pane.